Hey everybody, Steve, the other chopstick guy with their small bite for today. I gotta tell you, we came here to Paramount Ranch hoping for this amazing golden hour. You know what? It didn't happen, right? The sun went down, everything just kind of turned flat. But you know what I want to tell you? Even if you've made the effort and you came to someplace, go ahead and take the picture anyways. Because if it's just a memory maker, it's a great thing to see. You know, just like I was here at Paramount Ranch. It's totally fun. So go ahead and take the picture, even though it may not be what you envisioned in your head. That's okay, because creating memories sometimes are much more valuable than creating that perfect picture. So this was Steve with your small bite for today.